Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Terra Bella Box. I have not done this box forever, and you know, a girl only has one love of her life. I think it might be this box. So this is a monthly all-natural skincare / makeup subscription box. They do have two options. There's the standard, what we're reviewing, that is $32.95. I think it has 3 to 4 items in each box. And then there's the makeup edit, which always has 3+ items, only makeup, and it's $29.99 a month. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together. This is the February box. So here's our card. And this side will tell you everything that you're receiving as well as your retail values. So that's nice. I always like that. If you're interested in my full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Terra Bella Box so you can check them out. Alright, so we have Starboard Alchemy. This is a mocha mask. We have received a green clay mask from them before. I really liked it. I still have some of it that I'm using. Vivian was just at the door. Ah! Okay, so this is a mocha mask. I've never used a mocha mask. I don't know how to use a mocha mask. I'm going to find out. If you're interested in my full review, where I'll probably do a mocha mask, I'll link to that below. Alright, so next. I have also just stuff here. It's all these clothes. I'm doing my cleaning out. All right, Swifteroni. Oh, look at that tum. Look at that tum. You're showing everybody your tum. All right, so this is Glow for a Cause. I do have some of their face nourishing cream. This is, what is this? It's Wish. It's some sort of a sample jar. Is it like, no, I think this is the same. It has the same smell. It's like a very, like a creamy amber scent. I think it's a cream. I'm going to have to look at the card. We'll look at that when I'm done. All right, what's this? Desert Essence Blemish Touch Stick. Oh, I was just looking for one of these in my drawer. I'm like, I know I had one. So you basically put these on like little, I have the same problem every month. And it helps to dry them out is what I'm guessing. This has some sort of maybe tea tree oil. Apply to blemishes, insect bites, and other skin irritations 5 or 6 times a day. This non-oily, non-drying formulation is suitable for use underneath makeup. Alcohol, which is going to dry it out. Witch hazel. Tea tree oil. See, girl, I thought I knew something about something. I like that, though. I need one of these. So that is awesome. All right. Ooh, this company, Formula something. What is the name of it? 55. They make such gorgeous, not just gorgeous, look at this. And it's rose water shea butter soap. You guys know I love rose. Oh my gosh. So there's a little spar of soap. And it's, look at how beautifully, this is like hotel soap. Look at that. That's some hotel soap right there, girl. All right, I think that's everything. Yeah, it seems to be. I have missed items before and found them after the videos. All right, so we got the Formula 55 soap is $5. And they use certified palm oil, which means they're not going in and cutting down trees for animals and all that stuff. Desert Essence Blush Stick is $9.99. Oh, the Glow for a Cause, this is a solid perfume. Oh, and it does smell the same as their... Is that the face? I'm thinking now, I might be wrong. Might not even be that company. Oh, but anyway, it's $16. It smells really good though. All right, and then the Starboard Alchemy Mocha Mask is $22. There's Vivian. I have to go get her. If you guys are interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Terra Bella Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.